Hello everybody, it's me again. Today, not doing much. As you can see, it's a beautiful sunny day. I had planned on going metal detecting today, which I did, sort of, kind of. I don't know how it is in, what is that? I don't know how it is in most state parks, because I haven't been to them all. I've been to a lot, but here in Kentucky, you're not allowed to metal detect, and the wind's blowing. If it's making a lot of noise, I'm sorry. I'll try to get it out. But what is that? Sorry, I got a piece of lint or something on there to drive me nuts. What I'm gonna do, kind of walking sideways because the wind seems to be coming from behind me there. What was I talking about? Oh yeah, metal detecting. I started out this morning. I don't know, I was probably out here 20, 25 minutes or something, and a park ranger showed up. Well, in Kentucky, it's really game wardens. They're just called park rangers, but he politely let me know I wasn't allowed to be metal detecting. You're not allowed to metal detect in state parks, national forests, anything of that nature. It's mainly because through this part of Kentucky and on down to Tennessee, it's a lot of Civil War history, a lot of Civil War camps and battles, and like Shiloh in Tennessee, you know, they're trying to protect all that, because that's, even this area I'm in, it's not known in the history books, because, you know, in the history books they just name the big ones like Gettysburg and all that stuff, but it was here, and it was in Tennessee. Of course, a lot of Tennessee is well known, like Shiloh area. But if there wasn't a major battle or some famous soldier got killed, and you really never heard about it. But the point of it is, the no metal detecting and all that stuff is just to protect, you know, the land and a little bit of history that's here. And I can respect that, I understand that. Which I told him what I was doing, you know, just scratching around. I wasn't trying to dig up no Civil War cannon or nothing, but a law is a law, so you gotta follow it. So either way, unless I travel, because I got, well, I don't even know. I'm right smack in the middle of this national forest, so I'd have to go 30, 40 miles to get out of it. I just don't feel like doing that today. So maybe I'll go metal detect another day. But either way, if you can see, I know the wind's probably bad. Of course, that's not natural. The dumpster there, I mean, if you can see it. But other than that, I'm at a undisclosed, how you say that? Undisclosed area there. This is one of my little spots, day spots I hang out at. I don't stay here, but this is like a little gravel parking area, and you can, I don't know, there's probably 500 miles of trails you can go on out in the woods. Just go walking and stuff like that. This is one of the day areas I kind of hang out at. Later on this afternoon, I'll go to a campground or something, spend the night. Let's see, what's been going on? Really nothing much. I did have a question on my solar system, which it's so windy today. I hope it's not. I got it. I'm trying to get that. There's like a piece of fuzz or something. Just little things irritate me like that. But anyway, I got a question on my solar system, which I'm not going to make a video on it today. It's just so windy. But I just want to know what I use, what size panel. It's very simple. I don't get fancy on nothing. I don't try to overbuild anything. I just build what I need to get by, or what'll work, you know. I think that's where a lot of people mess up. They overthink stuff or overbuild things and build, you know, these big massive systems. I met a guy, I can't remember now, I got a terrible memory. I think it might have been Arizona or Texas anyway. He had a van similar to mine. He had 800 watts of solar. There was panels hanging off the roof, hanging off the side, and you don't need that. Unless you're trying to run a radio station or something out of that thing, you don't need that much power. I mean, if you're that power hungry, you should have just stayed in your house. Well, that sounded kind of smart aleck, but you know what I'm saying. We do this for a simple life. If you look right here, there's more trash thrown on the ground. I mean, it don't. Now I got a bee chasing me. What in the? Man, it's crazy. But like I was saying the other day, no matter where you go away, bee. What in the heck? I ain't bothering him. He's over trying to be a bully to me. But that's what I was saying the other day. No matter where you go, you know, trash on the ground. I'm still looking for that bee. But I'll probably pick that up in a minute because, as you've seen, there's a dumpster over there, so it won't take me 5 minutes to let in the dumpster. But I think today I'm just gonna be lazy, do a little walking, no sightseeing around here. But I gotta go back to work tomorrow, so, and it's already, I ain't got my watch on today, but I think it's like 1 o'clock or something. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in lazy mode there. I ain't gonna worry about no big adventure for today. I gotta go back to work tomorrow anyway. So. There's the bee again. He's like, I don't know if you can see it on here, but he's like right at my head. I didn't do nothing to that guy. Now he's gonna aggravate me. I guess he's going now. He'll be back in a second. But either way, man, that wind's vicious today. I would go ahead and do my little thing on my solar system, but it's just too windy. Of course, my little camera I use, like I told you earlier, I'm on my phone right now, but that's why I'm trying to stay out of the wind. I don't have a mic or nothing because my camera I usually use has got the big scratch on it now. I'll have to deal with that. Which it wasn't nothing fancy. It's just a little small Canon, a little cheap one. I didn't get much for it, but I'll pick me up another one. I'm in no big hurry. May go next weekend or something. I gotta run to town, and get a few supplies, restock my food and stuff like that. I'll look at them then. I don't know if you'll be able to see. This is. I wish I could get right here where I'm standing at. You can't. You're not allowed to have a vehicle here. I'll try to show you. The wind is horrible. You see down that valley? I'm trying to block the mic here so the wind just ain't vicious. But wouldn't that be a good view? I know that wind's got destroying this little video, but I'm gonna go ahead and get off here, make this pretty short. I just want to say hello to my aunt. This wind's so bad that I'm gonna go ahead and get off here. Like always, my email, my post office box will be in the description. That's where I've been seeming to be getting most of my questions on the email, but hey, that's fine. I'm really enjoying it, interacting with some of y'all. But I'm going to get off here because the wind's so bad. Just want to say hello. Hope you're having a great day. Get out and enjoy it. Or tomorrow, whenever you're watching this, get out and don't waste the day because you'll never get it back. Once the day's gone, it's gone forever. So get out and do something. But anyway, I hope you're having a great day. And God bless you. And I'll see you again next time.